Dear friends, this video attempts to deal on the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023, which was recently introduced in the Indian Parliament. The bill is said to have been introduced so as to boost the digital economy, but the fact of the matter is that it is legalizing data mining rather than protecting and safeguarding the privacy interest of individuals. Dear viewers, it is to be kept in mind that the right to privacy was already guaranteed by the 9-judge constitutional bench of the Supreme Court of India way back in 2017, which has guaranteed the right to privacy to an individual. It is an instinctive part of the individual, and it is namely called as Justice K.S.PUTTASAMT versus Union of India. In fact, it was the international benchmark judgment that has guaranteed the rights of individuals, their freedom of choice, to freedom to think, freedom to what to eat and what not to eat, and many other things has been guaranteed to the individuals in the world of digital age. Whereas the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 is an attempt to override the 9-member constitutional bench of Justice K.S.PUTTASAMT, and it paves way for protecting the interest of the government operators and private operators rather than safeguarding the interest of the individuals and others as enshrined in the Indian Constitution as fundamental rights to their citizens. Dear viewers, the government of India is telling that there is a regulator called the Data Protection Board. It is being monitored by a chairperson and members of the Data Protection Board, being monitored by the government bureaucrats. Whereas in General Data Protection Regulation that is operating in Europe has a wide range of safeguards for individuals, and it is being kept as a watchdog that operates in a society with universal literacy and high digital and financial literacy, whereas in India the literacy rate and digital literacy and financial literacy rate is not so when compared with the European continent. The point herein is that in France, the regulator has fined the Google company to the tune of $15 million for violating the rights of individuals in France, and it was able to penalize the highest technological giant Google in such a way, whereas in India the people are not that much educated on the rights of information, the rights to privacy and what not. Whereas the whistleblower Edward Snowden has said that the problem is not data protection but data collection. While the government is collecting data for some other purposes with some safety efforts, it is not that it is going to safeguard the interest of the individuals and the society, but would safeguard the interest of the definitely private operators, and it would be against the individuals and be used against the individuals' rights by the governments and state operators. This is the irony of Indian democracy. Thank you so much.